And new tonight, amid the destruction caused by these historic floods, there are countless stories of neighbors helping neighbors. Our Megan Lee joins us now with the story of a local business owner, Mel, spreading both love and generosity.
In less than a week, we've seen amazing acts of kindness after the historic flooding here in southeast Wisconsin. Now, 2 bars here in West Allis are stepping up by giving back 1 gift card at a time.
This one is Pick and Save. We have Target, another Pick and Save.
There's a whole lot of love and generosity inside of Mel LeBeau's quaint corner bar, Eck Bar in West Allis.
My saying I always tell everyone is love big.
And that's exactly what our community needs after many people were forced out of their homes as water filled their basements and apartments.
The devastation of, oh my God, what are they going to do?
That's why she's collecting gift cards and pet supplies to donate to those impacted by the horrible storm.
The gift card idea was more of just, hey, let's put a smile on their face, let's come together, and let's do even the littlest bit we can.
She's asking community members to drop off gift cards of any amount to either Eck Bar or Mike and Mel's Handlebar.
I really feel that these small acts of kindness are what's going to matter while they're waiting to receive the bigger resources.
A small act of kindness that shows how big Mel's heart is.
And she just gives and gives and gives.
Michelle David tells me that's why she reached out to TMJ4, so more people could join in on the give back.
Right now, everybody's going through it, and we're here to support everybody, and whoever can give, even if it's $5, you know, something that matters that we can give back.
Giving back to the community they both love so much.
They've saved me so many times.
And now she wants to be a saving grace for them. In West Allis, Megan Lee, TMJ4 News.